So here is how you're going to set up your new side hustle, your new merch brand, your new dream business this summer for no money, and you're going to get other people to sell it for you. Yes. So maybe you've been putting this off because you're like, but I don't know how to design. I don't know how to market. I don't know where I'm going to get the products from. And I don't know how to do any of this. Well, this video is going to help you get rid of the excuses and help you get started today. All right. But before we do that, go ahead and subscribe. Don't just be coming getting the good information. Subscribe and comment and let me know that you're here. Say hey, let me know where you're watching from so we can chat a little bit in the comments about what you're learning today. All right. So first and foremost, you're going to need to have some items, right? You've been thinking about this for a long time. Maybe you have designs already written down. Maybe you've played around on Canva, which is a design website. If you've never been on Canva, definitely got to check that out. Or maybe you've been doing this with AI. You've been talking to chat, you've been talking to Claude, and you've been like, I want to sell merch. I want to sell products. I want to make some extra money this summer. And I ain't got time to play. Me and the kids got to do something together this summer. You already have your ideas. How are you going to get them to customers? Well, you can use my friends at Printify, which is a print-on-demand company that is going to print your items. They're going to pack your items and they're going to ship them to your customers on your behalf. So your customers will never know that Printify is involved. The only thing that they're going to see is your logo, your brand, your message to them, and your amazing products. All right. I use Printify and have been using them for like 10 years now. When I started off, I didn't have a big budget. I didn't have any budget, to be honest. And so Printify was the way that I was able to scale my brand and figure out what my customers wanted from me in the process. So I would say they saved me a lot of money, a lot of mistakes, a lot of things before I went and started printing it myself and getting a warehouse and all that. All right. So I would definitely suggest, if you don't already have a Printify account, go ahead, create an account right now. You don't even need a credit card to get it set up. It takes minutes and you can get in there and look at over 1,000 products that you want to sell. Of course, I love a good hoodie, even in the summertime. I love some t-shirts. People know me for being a t-shirt girl. I love fun novelty products, and especially in the summer when people are looking for fun ways to give gifts, and you got cookouts and you got holidays coming around. So check out all that they have to offer right there inside of Printify. So once you have your products and you know what you want to sell, you may be thinking, all right, so how am I going to market this? I don't know how to get this to my customers. I don't know what to do. I'm going to give you the tea today so that other people can sell your products for you. So the first way that you can do this is with micro influencers. Now, I talk about this a lot in my 10 sales in 10 days class. If you want more information on that, comment 10 sales. I was going to say 10 days. Comment 10 sales and I will send you the info on the class. It has the direct way that you can really maximize getting in front of celebrities, influencers, and micro influencers. But for this video, I would say the easiest thing that you can do is confidently. Okay, when I say confidently, I mean confidently. This means that you have to be so sure of your product, so sure of yourself that you know that people are going to want it. And I want for you to lead with that, knowing that you are the one. All right. You're not begging anybody to do it. You're not asking anybody out of desperation. You're saying, I have a product that you need and I want to partner with you. But I also want you to check to look at the likes. Okay. Look at the comments. Are people engaged with this person? Do people seem excited when they wear certain products? If they do, that is the person for you. Now, of course, you want to get micro influencers that are closely related to your niche. So that means, as a person who owns the brand Girl Plus God, I'm going to be looking for people who are talking about faith. I'm looking for people who love God. I'm looking for people who are girls. I'm looking for people who are positive. I'm looking for people who are loving on other people, right? And then I'm going to send a DM and say, hey, I love what it is that you do. I think that it closely aligns. I can't even talk today. I think that it closely aligns with the Girl Plus God message. I would love to send you a shirt. I just need your address and your size. Notice how I am not like, please wear my shirt. Please, I need you, right? We don't need them. We're asking them to partner with us because we have a product that they would love. And you're going to have some people that are going to ignore you. Some people are going to say no, but then some people are going to say yes. I have shot my shot at some of the biggest celebrities in the world, and they've been like, send it. Oh, okay. And then I have had some celebrities reach out to me, or some TV shows or movie companies reach out to me. So be willing to shoot your shot to get other people to sell your products for you, all right? The next way that you can do this is with brand ambassadors. And if you're starting off and you don't have a big budget, here is how I would suggest you do this. You could just offer to people, you get a discount on our products just by being our first customers, right? The first people in the fam, the first people to support us, you get 15% off, or you get 20% off for rocking with us, and allow people to join into your movement, into your community, and then give them a discount. Now, if you have a little bit more money up front, or you want to spend a little bit more, there are brand ambassador companies that can actually pay for people to join your program. I've done this before. We had a ton of Girl Plus Guy brand ambassadors. Shout out to some of you because I know that you are on here still, and that is another way, but be careful because you will have to spend that money when people really start promoting your brand. And so you got to make sure that you have enough leeway for that. So the first way that I suggested is going to be the easiest. If you are brand new and don't have a big budget, just say, hey, I'm offering the first 50 people a 15% off or 20% off coupon for promoting our products. Thank you so much for being a part of our Founders Club, or make it something fun, right? You're really going to have to encourage people to want to be a part of your community. So that means that your niche is going to need to be strong, your community is going to need to be strong, and people are excited to sell your products. Now, if you're like, you lost me, comment lost, and I'm going to send you my free class. All right. Because that means you need to learn about your niche, and you need to learn a little bit more about community before you start selling. All right. The last way, and what I have seen has been one of the most fun and lucrative ways for people to get other people to sell your products for you, is TikTok Shop. Now, TikTok Shop has been killing the game. So you can set your store up on Printify and connect it directly to TikTok Shop. So once you have your products connected via TikTok Shop, then you're going to join the TikTok Shop affiliate program. So this way is kind of a mix of number one and number two, because you get brand ambassadors, you get people who are excited to sell your products because they can get a little commission, they can get free samples, they can get all that stuff. Depending on your budget, you can set this up directly inside of TikTok Shop. And you can even recruit people. So you can recruit people directly on TikTok Shop and say, I want you, go sell my product for me. You can even send targeted collaboration requests to up to like 50 people at a time. TikTok Shop has made it very fun, easy, and exciting to sell to people who are just actively scrolling. And they're going to stop, see your product on somebody else and be like, I got to have that. And you did not have to worry about sending it out. You didn't have to worry about going to print it out. You didn't have to worry about lifting a finger because you got somebody else to sell it for you. And you got Printify shipping it out to your customers. Hello? Okay, that's a summer that I want to be a part of. I want to be on the beach making money while other people selling my products for me. Hello? So if one of these ways have piqued your interest, let me know in the comments, which way are you going to let other people sell your products for you? If you have questions about Printify, my free class, or how to work with me, you can also leave that in the comments. And I'll see you guys at your store, because I want to see your store launched immediately, and in the next video.